We guide you through how to disable Apple Intelligence AI on iPhone. So the first thing you need to do is to go straight to your settings, scroll down and tap on Apple Intelligence and Siri. Then look for any toggles related to Apple Intelligence features and turn them off, including suggestions on device processing or AI-powered assistants. Next, go back and tap Siri and search, then disable listen for Hey Siri, press side button for Siri, and turn off all Siri suggestions like suggestions in search, suggestions on lock screen, and suggestions in lookup to fully minimize AI behavior. After that, head to Privacy and Security, tap Analytics and Improvements, and turn off Share iPhone Analytics to prevent your data from being used to improve AI systems. You can also check individual apps in settings and disable Siri and search access per app for tighter control. Once done, restart your iPhone to apply all changes, and your device will now run with minimal to no Apple Intelligence features active.